Look at this system. Trillions of dollars flow through these belts every year. This is the physical backbone of modern commerce. In 1994, the company was exactly this: one beige computer inside a rented garage in Bellevue, Washington. Jeff Bezos was selling books online. The late 90s saw thousands of dot-com startups launch. When the tech bubble finally burst, nearly all of those early internet companies died in a brutal market crash. This presents a historical puzzle. How did one specific digital bookstore survive the slaughter to reach a valuation of over $1 trillion? To find the answer, we have to look past the storefront and into the mechanics of how Amazon captures the entire life cycle of a purchase. Books were a calculated test. They are universally standardized, they are easy to pack, and they are cheap to ship. This diagram illustrates the core strategy. A physical brick-and-mortar store hits a hard limit on shelf space. A digital database expands infinitely. By the late 90s, they used that infinite digital space to add CDs, toys, and electronics. They became the everything store. But the internet is easy to copy. Competitors caught up quickly. Building a massive online inventory was no longer a unique advantage. If everyone sold the exact same items, the items themselves generated no loyalty. Amazon pivoted to a new strategy, competing on the speed and reliability of the delivery itself. In 2005, they launched Amazon Prime. Guaranteeing 2-day shipping meant building an incredibly complex physical network from scratch. This required buying massive industrial warehouses across the country. They needed to hold physical goods as close to the consumer's front door as possible. This cycle maps the Amazon flywheel. Once shipping felt immediate and predictable, customer psychology shifted. People simply stopped checking other websites for lower prices. That immediate loyalty drove enormous traffic. The traffic funded more warehouses, creating a closed loop that physically shut out retail competitors. Amazon successfully built a delivery ecosystem that no competitor could afford to replicate. But running a global retail machine caused intense internal friction. The massive spikes in web traffic continually overloaded their own computer systems. They built Amazon Web Services to fix their own digital bottlenecks. They standardized their internal computing power. Then they realized they could rent those exact same servers out to other tech startups and large corporations. This bar chart contrasts the result. Retail brings in massive revenue with razor-thin margins. AWS operates on lower volume but generates a massive profit margin. A bookstore had inadvertently become the digital backbone of the modern internet. They were now selling digital infrastructure itself. Bring the timeline back to today. Look at the warehouses, the server racks, and the delivery vans as one single continuous machine. All of these disconnected expansions serve one strict operational goal. They remove friction from human consumption. Physical items are commodities. You can buy a TV or a book anywhere. The item itself does not guarantee a returning customer. By owning the warehouses and the servers, Amazon made the act of buying as effortless as a single click. Amazon took over online shopping because they moved beyond selling products and started owning the invisible systems that power modern life.